The court kept asking, where is the investigating officer? There was also a scathing observation on the action taken against the junior-most officer. Now, the MCD commissioner has been summoned by the court. Cops have also been asked to come up with the relevant file. Priyank joins us on the broadcast. Priyank, we were discussing this a short while back. In that confrontation sequence, the MCD commissioner did not respond to your questions. But like I said, they will have to respond to the courts now. MCD commissioner summoned.
Yes, Sati Swati, that's a breaking input which we are getting, that Ashwini Kumar, the MCD commissioner, who refused to give answers to the Time Saw camera, will have to come up before the court. The next time of hearing is 2:30 tomorrow. So it's going to be very important where the MCD commissioner himself has been summoned. Also, the DCP concerned of this particular case jurisdiction will also have to appear. The Delhi police was not a party in this case. That's why the Delhi police representative were not present in the court. This is the sense which we got from the senior official here at the Delhi police headquarters. But certainly the court has asked very pertinent question, questioning the manner in which the Aam Aadmi Party government, the Delhi government, has been functioning. Look at the manner in which they have decided to rule this particular city. The city is also in the national capital, and they thought that while the chief minister will remain inside the Tihar jail, they will be operate the government from the jail without accessing the file, without having any kind of standing committee meeting, which has happened because which has not happened because of the tussle in between the Delhi government and the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. So now most of the things will be touched upon. The responsibility will be fixed. The court will come out with very clear instructions that the MCD officials need to go to the ground.
Absolutely. The court was also looking at the larger picture. A comment also came in on the freebie culture. Stay on with us, Priyank and Bhabtosh. We're joined by Mohit. He'll get us a reaction, live reaction from the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva on the developments. Yes, Mohit.
Well, yes, Swati, we are right now being joined by the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva. Sir, जो कोर्ट में आज सुनवाई हुई, हाई कोर्ट में तगड़ी फटकार जो है एमसीडी को लगाई गई। कहा गया कि अगर आपकी रिपोर्ट कहती है कि सॉसर शेप्ड एरिया था, तो वहां पे ये सब जो कंस्ट्रक्शन थे वहां कैसे हुए? जूनियर ऑफिशियल को आपने सस्पेंड कर दिया, सीनियर ऑफिशियल क्यों नहीं? एमसीडी कमिश्नर को जो है वो समन किया गया है। कल फिर से हियरिंग होगी, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा जो है तीखी टिप्पणियां करी गई हैं एमसीडी के ऊपर कोर्ट के द्वारा। सर, और आप भी कहते हैं कि एमसीडी का फॉल्ट है।
माननीय हाई कोर्ट ने जो भी टिप्पणी की है मैं उसका स्वागत करता हूं, लेकिन साथ साथ ये भी कहता हूं कि दिल्ली नगर निगम जितना दोषी है उतना ही दोषी दिल्ली फायर सर्विसेज डिपार्टमेंट है, जिसने जुलाई में एनओसी दी। दिल्ली जल बोर्ड है, जिसने नालों की सफाई नहीं की। और हर वो विभाग जिसने इस इलीगल काम को होने दिया, उन सबको इस समय दंड देने की जरूरत है, चाहे जूनियर अधिकारी हो या सीनियर अधिकारी हो या उनकी मंत्री आतिशी, जो सिर्फ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके अपनी जिम्मेदारी से मुक्त हो रही है।
प्लेसमेंट में कैसे पानी भर गया, इसके ऊपर भी सवाल उठाए कोर्ट ने, और एमसीडी कमिश्नर को भी बुलाया। और हाई कोर्ट ने यह भी कहा कि सिविक एजेंसीज जो हैं वो तो बैंकक्रप्ट हो गई हैं, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है। आप कह रहे हो कि फाइनेंशियल हमारे पास आया नहीं, लेकिन जब आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार चुनाव लड़ रही थी एमसीडी के, उन्होंने कहा था कि एमसीडी में जो है जब वो आएंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा टैक्सेस बढ़ेंगे, पैसा बढ़ेगा। लेकिन हाई कोर्ट ने यह मुद्दा भी उठाया कि बैंकक्रप्ट हो रही है एजेंसीज, तो लोगों को सैलरी नहीं देंगे।
दिल्ली में जब नगर निगम का चुनाव था, इन्हीं के मंत्री सौरभ भारद्वाज कहते थे कि एक बार हमें मौका दीजिए, हम दिल्ली को एक मिसाल बनाएंगे, और वो मिसाल बना के दिखा दी उन्होंने। आज 20 महीने हो गए, और 20 महीने में दिल्ली नगर निगम का जो शासन है वो दिल्ली सरकार की तरह भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि आज भी उस राजेंद्र नगर में जहां ये हादसा हुआ, दिल्ली की मेयर इधर उधर घूम रही हैं, उसी वार्ड में घूम के देख लें कि कितने इलीगल कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट और कितने पीजी हाउसेज जहां बच्चों को एक भेड़ बकरियों की तरह ठूस कर रखा हुआ है, कितने चल रहे हैं। या ये शैली ओबराय जिस वार्ड से खुद आती हैं, जरा एक बार उस वार्ड का दौरा करके देख लें, हिम्मत नहीं है इनकी।
कोर्ट ने ये सवाल भी उठाया कि जूनियर ऑफिशियल को आपने सस्पेंड किया, सीनियर ऑफिशियल तो एसी रूम से भी नहीं निकलते, सिर्फ एक जूनियर इंजीनियर को सस्पेंड किया गया है।
सर, मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ कि जूनियर इंजीनियर नहीं, हर वो व्यक्ति, चाहे वो जूनियर इंजीनियर है, वो बेलदार है जिसने काम होने दिया, या उनके सीनियर ऑफिसर है या एडिशनल कमिश्नर जो भी है, या वो विधायक और वो मंत्री जिनकी सीधी जिम्मेदारी बनती थी उस काम कराने की, वो सब जिम्मेदार है और सबको सब उस कैटेगरी में लाना।
एक और सवाल सर, हाईकोर्ट ने कहा कि आप फ्रीबी देना आपकी प्राथमिकता है, क्या फ्रीबी कल्चर जो है जाना चाहिए? जब एमसीडी के हालातों की वो बात कर रहे थे, हाईकोर्ट की तरफ से टिप्पणी आई है।
देखिए, मैं फिर कहता हूँ, दिल्ली को या पूरे हिंदुस्तान को अगर संभालना है तो दिल्ली और देश के हर नागरिक को अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझनी पड़ेगी। उसको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि इस देश और इस राज्य के लिए मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है।
So that was the first reaction coming in on the developments that have come from the court, Swati, where Virendra Sachdeva clearly says that MCD has to take the responsibility, and MCD, which is being governed by the Aam Aadmi Party, has also some responsibility, and their officials should be booked, and even their leaders should be booked. Back
Absolutely. Mohit, Bhabtosh and Priyank, stay on with us as we discuss these developments taking place in the court. Remember, protests continued on the streets of the national capital. Delhi's Rajendra Nagar, which is known for its plethora of coaching centers for preparing the UPSC aspirants, is witnessing one of the most outrageous protests as students continue to sit on hunger strike demanding justice and accountability over the death of their 3 fellow aspirants who lost their lives due to flooding in the basement of Rao's coaching center on Sunday. As protests intensified, the Delhi police detained several students and were taken to meet the MCD commissioner.
इस वक्त हम ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में मौजूद हैं, जहां पर कोचिंग सेंटर के बाहर पिछले 5 दिनों से यूपीएससी के एस्पिरेंट्स जो हैं यहां पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और कल से ये हंगर स्ट्राइक पे बैठे, क्योंकि इनकी मांग थी कि ऑफिशियल्स इनसे मिलने आए, चाहे पीडब्ल्यूडी डिपार्टमेंट से, चाहे एमसीडी से, दिल्ली सरकार के कोई मंत्री इनसे मिलने आए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ, जिसके बाद ये तमाम सारे जो यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स हैं कल से हंगर स्ट्राइक पे बैठे हुए। इनकी कुछ मांगे हैं कि परिवार को 5 करोड़ का कॉम्पनसेशन दिया जाए। इसके साथ ही जिस तरह से ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि मौत के आंकड़े छुपाए गए हैं, तमाम सारी मांगे हैं जो पूरी नहीं की जाती है तब तक वो यहीं पर बैठे रहेंगे। इसी तरह से आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर तमाम पोस्टर्स आपको नजर आ रहे होंगे।
जब तक कोई ऑफिशियल यहाँ पे आके हम लोगों से मिलता नहीं है, हम लोगों की डिमांड्स नहीं सुनते, तब तक हम लोग यहाँ से नहीं हटेंगे और हम लोग हंगर स्ट्राइक पे बैठे रहेंगे।
तो एक टोटली अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर है ये, ऐसा नहीं है कि नॉन कंसेंशुअल क्राइम है, ये टोटली अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर है। हमारी मांग ये है कि यहाँ दिल्ली का एलजी आए और दिल्ली के एलजी छात्रों की बात सुने, हमें लिखित में ये दें, आश्वासन दें और एक टाइमलाइन भी दें।
हम लोगों ने तो कल 3 बजे से ही हंगर स्ट्राइक रखा है, हमने 3 बजे से पानी तक नहीं पिया और अभी तक हमारी यही डिमांड है कि अगर एलजी आएंगे तो हम अपनी स्ट्राइक तोड़ेंगे, बट स्टिल अभी तक हमें कोई इसके रिगार्डिंग कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन भी नहीं दी गई है।
Abha Singh is joining us on the broadcast now. Abha Singh, when authorities fail, when nobody wants to take responsibility, when accountability cannot be fixed, we've also seen the court step in. This time around, the court heavily has come down on the MCD, on the cops, and also spoke about the larger picture, about the freebie culture, about how Delhi is being hit by one crisis after the other.
Has been hit. We just had an IAS aspirant who was electrocuted, and just after that you have these 3 young students who had come to prepare for UPSC have died while drowning, and they were studying in the library which was in the basement. And court has rightly said that how these structures have come, and also High Court has said that if you are suspending one officer, in due time we will see that he is promoted and also given a clean sheet, which has happened in so many disasters, that the officers go scot-free, because ultimately even the committee which is set up is by an officer, and chor mausere bhai. So the people are always trying to cover each other's back. Delhi is in shambles. One cannot even think of that in monsoon, children will die due to drowning in the capital. And above all, in fact, while I was talking to Pranesh Roy on your channel itself, I said, you are arresting a car driver who is trying to save his life by driving through the deluge.
Absolutely. And Abha Singh, this time around, it may be old Rajendra Nagar, but the court revisited what happened in Mukherjee Nagar today during the hearing, and it really asked the petitioners and reminded them that the Mukherjee Nagar case is still in the court. Remember, Abha Singh, in Mukherjee Nagar, a fire broke out in a 4-story building of a coaching center. And that matter was taken up. What came to fore was that the coaching centers were failing to, ensure that there was compliance as per law.
How can even the authorities say that the coaching centers are failing to comply? These MCD, DDA, electricity officers are given a salary to see that the law is enforced, the regulations are complied with. So what are we saying? That are these officers accepting that they are useless, they are incompetent, they are unable to enforce the law of the land? And yes, Mukherjee Nagar, we have not forgotten children dying due to fire. And when the guidelines say, the NBC, National Building Code of India, says that there have to be fire exits, proper spaces, then why are these officers not ensuring that these are why occupation certificate is given, how they are constructed is my question. This is only because of corruption. All these people, be it the local councillor, municipal councillor or the local BMC, MCD officers, they all get haftas, and it is only blatant corruption which has led to the death of these 3 children, I would say, due to drowning, and one.
So, Abha Singh, would you say nothing really has changed from 2016 to today in 2024? It's a different incident, of course, but 3 students losing the life because of negligence, because of someone else's, not complying with the laws.
Absolutely nothing has changed, and we will see more incidents like this because these government servants, these corrupt government servants have become moti chamdi. They know that they will bribe during the inquiry and get a clean sheet. What is failing us is the clean sheet culture by these committees, because they know once the attention of the media and the courts is over, they will close the matter. Sab rafa dafa ho jayega.
Absolutely.
और रह जाएंगे सिर्फ parents who have lost their children.
Unfortunately, the court also said that, Abha Singh, that we will pass orders but nothing will be done. Thank you very much, Abha Singh, for joining us with your perspective. As demand for accountability grows, Delhi Minister Atishi briefed the media and put the blame on MCD. The AAP Neta said that waterlogging took place due to illegal basements, and the junior engineer who was responsible for drainage in the area and to ensure there was no encroachment failed to do his job, for which he was terminated from MCD.
जो बाकी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट है वो अभी 7 दिन में आएगी, लेकिन प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट के आधार पर ही एमसीडी ने तुरंत कार्रवाई शुरू कर दी। सबसे पहले जो जेई जिम्मेदार थे वहां पे ड्रेन की मेंटेनेंस के लिए, जिनकी जिम्मेदारी थी ये देखना कि ड्रेन पर इंक्रोचमेंट ना हो, उस जेई पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई हुई और उसको एमसीडी से टर्मिनेट कर दिया गया है। जो एई थे, असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर, उनको तुरंत सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है।
Well, the Delhi High Court also, in its scathing observations, said that how can a passerby be booked? What is the investigating officer doing? The court also came down heavily on the investigating officer, saying that the investigating officer does not know what's happening. Then the case can be transferred to a central agency under the supervision of CVC. We have Swapnil Kothari joining us in the broadcast. Swapnil Kothari, what do you say about a situation where the courts are saying that we have passed orders in the past, we'll pass orders, nothing will happen?
Well, the court is being very clear that the focus should be entirely on that coaching center, how it got erected, how it was in the basement, whether the rules were followed, whether the rules were violated, because this kind of a tragedy resulting in loss of 3 young lives is something which has to be taken very, very seriously. Yes, you may want to focus on the driver also, and what sort of charges would be levied against him. But that's a separate issue. The more important issue is the coaching center, not people who cross by or who pass by. So this is the court, the Delhi High Court is being very clear that it will not hesitate to pass any strictures or any orders against the administration. And the administration, which seems to harp a lot about following the rules and being for the Aam Aadmi, does not seem to be doing anything for the Aam Aadmi, because the Aam Aadmi is absolutely trampled against the weight or under the weight of absolutely gross violations. These violations are taking place across the country, so I don't want to single out Delhi. But in Delhi, there seems to be some sort of apathy towards this kind of a thing, or a very casual approach. And this is something which...
A casual approach, exactly. A casual approach is what we are witnessing right now. The court also has pointed out in today's hearing that there are shortcomings and there is an attempt to cover up those shortcomings. But people's lives are precious. Swapnil Kothari.
Absolutely, there is no question, and that is what the court is trying to say. And you notice that NHRC also stepped into gear and took notice of this, saying that human rights are being violated, but that is on a very low level. Actually, that also is a very good thing. But in addition to that, when the High Court passes strictures and calls the shots, then it really, really amounts to pulling up the government, which it needs to. And the court is making it very clear, and I'm very happy that the court is taking it very, very on a very expeditious basis and trying to hit the nail on the head and saying that this is where you need to focus, because the prosecution can always be compromised. So the court is saying that, look, we are there on top of your head and we will ensure that things...
Absolutely. We're talking about the national capital here. The court today observed that since 1980, there is no master plan for drains, Swapnil Kothari. And, it's not the job of just one agency. There are encroachments. The cops have to see to it if drains have been encroached, if that area has been encroached. The MCD has to ensure that there's no water logging. So failure of multiple agencies along with the government. Swapnil Kothari, thank you very much for joining us in the broadcast with your perspective. Times Now continues to ask tough questions to those in position of power. Priyank earlier confronted the MCD commissioner. Responses coming in from Ashwini Kumar, who has now, by the way, been summoned by the court. Take a look at the sequence.
people want to have answers from you, sir. Sir, there's 3 deaths which has happened. Ashwini sir, there are 3 deaths which has happened, and the report we have also seen, sir. Mr. Kumar, any comment from the MCD side, because the people want to know who is responsible for it, sir. Mr. Kumar, there you saw Ashwini Kumar subtly not at all talking to the serious question that he wanted to ask. It was a very well-known fact that he will not speak, because the manner in which these things have been highlighted, the manner in which Ashwini Kumar department, MCD, has been held responsible for these kind of deaths, certainly this response was quite acceptable or expected from his side. But the fact of the matter is that they are running away. They are not giving answers to the clear-cut questions. What is forcing them not to reply to those public to whom they are serving is a big question.
Not just the MCD commissioner, we also confronted the additional commissioner of the MCD who also refused to answer questions.
जो निगम की रिपोर्ट आई है आप अपने लाइन में बैठ जाइए
Will you take some responsibility for what has happened? At least take some responsibility.